Zoom will rapidly change the world forever. With the whole world suddenly placed in quarantine, many companies have mandated their employees to work at home. This has suddenly changed the work environment and made video conferencing a part of the new normal. The demand for a platform to aid businesses to function with minimal disruption had become significant. Two most recognized video conferencing apps have suddenly spiked the number of usages, Skype and Zoom. Are you ready to know more? If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. And stay tuned until the end of this video to find out how Zoom will change the world. Although both apps allow you to hold video meetings and record them for later review, they differ significantly in scale. Skype can support up to 50 participants on a single video conference. The same limit applies to voice calls. Zoom can accommodate up to 1,000 video participants and 49 on-screen videos. The app works with Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. Creating Zoom with large companies in mind, it enables users to host, record meetings, participate in group message or chats, and collaborate as if they were sitting in a physical conference room. So essentially, Zoom works better for groups or teams that frequently hold meetings through video chats. Do I need to have a Zoom account to join the video chat? No. Even if you do not have an account, you can participate in a meeting. So, how does it work? The host can send you a shared link or code. You can simply click the link or enter the code to join the meeting. Because Zoom is more integrated when it comes to features, it became a great and popular choice for web conferencing with more than 1 million meeting participants each day. One great feature of Zoom is recording, where you can save and document your session. It can save a lot of time comparing to a traditional meeting held in the office where you have to multitask between taking important notes and making decisions. With Zoom, you can focus on brainstorming with your global team while using its on-screen whiteboard feature. There is also a useful integration hookup available in Zapier for scheduling tools. Let's say you want to schedule a meeting with someone by using Calendly or Google Calendar. Instead of reminding that person to send them a Zoom meeting link or manually updating the calendar invite with a link, Zapier can automatically add your Zoom link to the event, making meeting scheduling hands-free. You can start using Zoom's free plan, which allows you to host up to 100 participants in a video call. Andrew Pagels, a partner at Investable LLC, uses Zoom to present slide decks, videos, and pitches, recommending it to groups that hold tons of video calls. Overall, many Zoom users feel that the platform has among the best performance of any video conference platform. It provides a lot of opportunities to communicate better with your team on a day-to-day basis. According to a recent study, 89% of remote teams prefer video conferencing to connect with colleagues or supervisors. The same study goes on to clarify that about 75% of US corporate employees use video conferences to work remotely, with a majority reporting higher productivity as well as better work-life balance. If you are a teacher or a speaker with large audiences, you can also use Zoom to run webinars. Whether you want to sell ideas or products, a Zoom webinar is a great platform to run live video streaming. This is a good way to share content or video, ask questions, or survey from the audience. Using a custom registration URL, you can invite attendees to your Zoom webinar. Thanks to Zoom's recording feature, you can also save your webinar and rehash it for other use. With Zoom Basic Plan, you can conduct meetings for up to 45 minutes, while the Zoom Pro plan costs $14.99 a month per user, where you'll get unlimited duration, plus assigned scheduler, personal meeting ID, and reporting. It also features user admin controls and management capabilities, plus a huge amount of data for sharing and storing. Undoubtedly, Zoom is the clear choice for enterprise-sized companies, thanks to its high participant support and deep business features. However, Zoom still has room for improvement. There are a few feedback that you should know about shared by other users. First, while Zoom has some innovative features such as whiteboarding, polling, and remote control, users report it's difficult to use. Craig Ripley, SVP of IT Systems and Application Development at Grable Companies Incorporated, finds that sometimes the chat features are not available when in a meeting. Another disadvantage of Zoom, according to other users, is the poor, unpredictable video quality. Video on Zoom is often blurry and pixelated. the audio and video quality can deteriorate to the point that it cannot be used, says Richard, a Zoom user. For me, this happens every time I use it for some part of the conference I'm in. Although the free version has its limits, it still looks like a better choice for businesses. The app is set up to be a professional tool that includes more professional collaboration tools. And though video quality can be a little unreliable, this can be the least concern and can be compensated with good audio. So, are you ready? Have you tried using Zoom yet? How was your experience? Please send us your feedback by writing it down in the comments section below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Are you ready?